Despite his cute appearance, Martens is a dangerous predator. They are nocturnal, extremely intelligent, and skillful. Imagine what they could do with their prey. This is a breathtaking action. Marten is stalking and attacking a monkey. The monkey must have panicked because it was suddenly bitten by a predator from behind. You will clearly see the marten's predatory behavior in this video. Injured langur cannot climb trees, move normally. Like the honey badger, the yellow-necked weasel's hunting strategy is quite simple. He moves around his prey, looking for opportunities to attack. Skillful hunting. Yellow-necked weasel challenges prey anytime, anywhere. The langur began to counterattack more violently. Whether the small predator can defeat the large prey, let's keep an eye out. Despite his small appearance, Marten was an unplayable man. His power is truly terrifying. It's even scarier when these predators work in pairs. A tragic end happened. With a hyperactive nature, Marten is fearless. Provoking? But the raccoon didn't notice him at all. Continuing is an aggressive behavior. Making these animals angry seems to be his hobby. In the natural world, there are many dangers. This bunny seems to have just had to go through a terrifying moment of his life. Now it is running away in fear. Accidentally spotting a potential prey, the hunter immediately seized a good opportunity. The poor rabbit's hope of survival was completely extinguished. Could this bunny be any luckier?